So now you can see that as in my previous video, the output was not the expected one, or the but there was some mistake in this spaces, so it didn't give the correct output. Now you can see that we added, or we here we added 10 at the to the empty list. Initially the list was empty. Here, as just we said, if the list is empty, this condition will always be used to check if the if the node or if the list is empty or not. If the list is empty, it will add the data to the list. So as here it added 10 to the empty list, so 10 will be added at the start wherever it wants to add, so it will add at the empty list. Now we are saying that we have to insert at the end, so it will add 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 in sequence at the end of a list. Now after that we are saying that you like display all these elements before deleting, so it displayed all these elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60 before. And now after displaying all the elements, now we want to delete at the start. Now you can see that what elements are at the start of a list. This element is at the start of a list, as well as this element is at the start of a list, so it will delete 10 and 20, and it will, so the remaining elements will be 30, 40, 50 and 60. For example, if I say new here, control C and control V. Now if I run, now you can see that we said that delete three starting elements. So what are the three starting elements are 10, 20, 30. So it deleted all these elements, and remaining elements will be 10, 4, 40, 50 and 60. And if we say delete, what was the method name, delete at the end, instead of delete at the start, we will say that delete the element at the end of a list. So now you can see that what is the element at the end of a list. 60 is at the end of a list, so it deleted the element from at the end, as well as it deleted the element from the start of a list, which is 10 and 20. I hope you understand all the W linked list, how we implement this, and what are the methods to insert, for to delete an element at the end of a list, at the start of a list, from the start of a list, how to insert at the to the empty list. So I hope you understand the this code.